welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome as well. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your lips fuller using a lipstick. Before I get to the main video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like my video, always comment and let me know when you use any of my tips, okay? And then share my video to your friends. Thank you. So this first thing I'm going to be doing is to overline my cupid bow to show the distance between the nose and the lip. For the upper lip, you overline the center, then you drag the lip down. The center should be overlined, then the both sides should be dragged down like I did. You get? So the center should be way higher than the sides. The center should be way higher than the sides like I did here. Then for the lower lip, the same thing. You overline the center, and then instead of you now to drag down, what you do is to go in. You overline the center for the lower lip and you go in. You drag it in instead of dragging it down. You drag it in. Then after that, you fill the rest of the upper lip using a brush and the excesses from the lipstick already applied on the brush. You fill the upper lip and the lower lip, leaving a space at the center of the lower lip where you can apply your lipstick, your dark brown lipstick. So basically what I said is that you overline the cupid bow to show the distance between the lip and the nose while dragging the sides down. And as for the lower lip, you overline the bottom and then you drag it in instead of dragging down like I did. After that, you fill the rest of the lip using the brush and the excesses from the lipstick already applied. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to apply my matte lipstick, my nude lipstick. You apply it down and then you blend it using a brush, or you can just smack your lip. I think I smacked my lip in this video. When you apply your nude lipstick, you smack to be able to blend, or use a brush to blend it properly. This lipstick, there's no brand name for the lipstick. I just got it. I've been using it for a while now, so you can just get any nude lipstick. You can use it for this. There's no particular lipstick meant for this. You can just use any one. So after that, I'm smacking my lip to enable me blend very well. Sorry for the inconsistency with the camera. My sister did me dirty on this day. Like, that's even a story for another day. So this is what it looks like now. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to use a concealer a little bit lighter than my foundation to conceal the lip and give it a very good shape. Now, this is very important. For those of you that do not know how to blend very well, don't go for a concealer way lighter, because the lighter the shade, the more difficult it is for you to blend. So if you do not know how to blend very well, you just go for a concealer a little bit lighter than your foundation, just to bring out the shape, like the full shape of the lip. You conceal it and then blend. But in this video, I used a concealer way lighter to be able to make the lip pop very well. So that was what I did. Make sure you're very careful while concealing, and shape your lip. Conceal according to how your lip was shaped. And you have to be very careful not to clean some things, or even if you clean, you can just use your brush and apply it back. So you have to be very careful anyways. This is me trying to conceal, following the shape. I already gave the lip. So this is me trying to still conceal. We are not even done, and the lip is already giving that full lip vibe, you know. So the next thing I'm going to be doing after concealing is to blend the concealer. I use a clean brush to blend the concealer into my skin. Make sure you blend very well, because at this point you're already done with your makeup, so you wouldn't want anything to ruin your makeup. So make sure you blend very well, and after blending, you use a powder to apply in those areas to enable the full face match with the lip area. Use a powder after blending. Apply powder on those areas to take your face back to normal, the way it was before you start applying your lipstick. So the next thing I'm going to be doing after now is to use a pencil. I use a pencil to correct my lines, the already defined lip. You know, I've already concealed, so I'll just use a sharp pencil to define the lines properly. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm using a pencil to define my lines properly. After concealing and applying your powder, you just use a brown pencil to define the lines properly, like I'm doing in this video. So this is what it looks like after using the pencil. This is what it looks like, and then this is it. So this is what the full lip looks like. This is what it looks like. There's no much work to be done here. It's just to apply your lipstick, conceal, blend, use a pencil to define, and then we're good. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos to your friend, and leave a comment in the comment section. And please let me know if you use any of my tips. Bye. See you next time. Thank you.